Finally, it's our quiz time again. And today's quiz gonna be vocabulary from lesson 33 for its content. So if you guys haven't studied, so you guys can try to learn the vocabularies in lesson 33 first before doing this quiz together. So I will start. The first question we have here, what is B in Chinese? We have A, 草, B, 蜂蜜, C, 蜜蜂, and D, 讨厌. So please think first. The meaning of 草 is noisy, 蜂蜜 is honey, 蜜蜂 is bee, and 讨厌 is to hate. So bee in Chinese is C, 蜜蜂, 蜜蜂. The next question, what is smelly in Chinese? So we have A, 香, B, 喜欢, C, 安静, D, 臭. Which one do you think is the right answer for this question? So, 香 is fragrant, 喜欢 is to like, 安静 is silent, and 臭 is smelly. So it is obvious that the right answer for this question is D, 臭, 臭. Moving on to the next question, what is hate in Chinese? We have A, 讨厌, B, 吵, C, 喜欢, and D, 香. So please try to guess, guys. Which one do you think is the right answer? Tao Yan is hate, Tao is noisy, 喜欢 is to like, and 香 is fragrant. So hate in Chinese is A, 讨厌, 讨厌. The next one here, what is silent in Chinese? We have A, 蜜蜂, B, 安静, C, 蜂蜜, D, 臭. So what I want you to do is, please try to guess first. It doesn't matter if you don't know the answer. So 蜜蜂 is B, 安静 is silent, 蜂蜜 is honey, and 臭 is smelly. So the right answer for this question is B, 安静, 安静. Moving on to the next one, what is noisy in Chinese? So we have A, 喜欢, B, 安静, C, 吵, and D, 臭. So which one do you think is correct here? So 喜欢 is like, 安静 is silent, 吵 is noisy, and 臭 here is smelly. So noisy in Chinese is C, Chao, chao. The next one, what is honey in Chinese? So we have A, 香, B, 讨厌, C, 蜜蜂, and D, 蜂蜜. So I will give you some time to think first, guys. So the meaning of 香 is fragrant, 讨厌 is to hate, 蜜蜂 is bee, and 蜂蜜 is honey. So the right answer for this question is D, 蜂蜜, 蜂蜜. Moving on to the next one, what is fragrant in Chinese? So we have A, 香, B, 臭, C, 潮, and D, 讨厌. So I will let you guys guess first. The meaning of 香 is fragrant, 臭 is smelly, 讨 is noisy, and 讨厌 is hate. So fragrant in Chinese is obviously A, 香, 香. The next one here, what is like in Chinese? So we have A, 喜欢, B, 蜂蜜, C, 安静, and D, 蜜蜂. So let's try to guess first, guys. The meaning of 喜欢 is like, 蜂蜜 is honey, 安静 is silent, and 蜜蜂 is bee. So like in Chinese is A, 喜欢, 喜欢. So that's all, guys, for today's quiz. That was fun, right? And I hope that you guys got the correct answers for all those questions. Because actually, I personally think that the questions here was very, very easy. I will see you guys on our next lesson. Don't forget to review and study again about the quiz and the vocabulary.